Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join a Discord server with no invitation link. So the first thing we need to do is launch up the Discord application, and it really doesn't matter whether you're on a mobile device or a computer, as the steps are going to be exactly the same. So once you've launched up the Discord application, we're then going to head over to this plus symbol here, and right down at the bottom of this drop down you'll see have an invite already, join a server. So go ahead and select that, and what we need to do here is type in the following text: https://discord.gg/ and then you need to type in the name of your server. Now if you're not sure what the name of the server is, then you could just go ahead and type in a random name here. For example, let's say I wanted to join the server called Dogs. Then we can come down over to join server at the bottom here, and as you can see we're now a member of this Discord server called Dogs. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you join a Discord server without an invitation link. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.